Hello, today's video I'm opening a package which I've received from a company called Sensory Treasures. They create sensory packs for different people. They've got different things in. They have ones already made up, or you can ask for specific stuff for yourself. So I asked for a bunch of things. I wanted, they can ask for certain colours or certain types of sensory things. I asked for to make sure nothing had any metal on it because I can't stand the metal on my fingers. I said I prefer black and purple stuff, but I'm not too bothered about colours. I also said I really like stripes or anything with that on. They showed me a few pictures of things and I picked out a couple of things myself. But I'm not entirely sure what's in here exactly, so I guess we'll find out. So let's open it up. I can actually get it open. Should probably open this beforehand. That would have been. There we go. Right, so first off is a little thank you card with a little card on for the thing. So most of the bundles that they give out come in little bags, and as you can see, they followed my request and given me a black and white bag for my little things in. It's really good. Get to keep all your products in a nice little bag. So first up, we've got a little kitty cat in stripes. I really like stripes, as you can guess. So this is quite soft and it makes a noise, which is good. As you can see, on one side the cat's awake, on that side the cat's asleep. So that's quite good. If you're feeling tired, you can show one side, I'm tired, I'm going to sleep. This side, I'm wide awake, yay! That's good. This. In a lovely purple colour, we've got a sensory. I'm not sure what they call these, but they're quite good. Another thing we've got is a squeezy ball. That's good. Very nice stress reliever. A little smiley face on it. We've got a chewy bracelet. Oh. Yep. You can chew on that. It's quite soft and flexible. I think I'll put that on now. That's a good fit. We've got a fidget cube. Lovely colours. Love the purple on this. It does little things. It's got a clicky bit and a little spinny thing, and these move around. Twizzly bits, smooth for rubbing area, and my favourite is a clicky. That's excellent. We've got a man, a wriggly man. Hello. Nice stress busting man. Bend him and ply him and everything. Got that's quite fun. I'm not sure what this is, but it's got a little metal ball, a little marble, as you can see, and that's quite good. I'm not sure what this is called, but whatever it is, it's lots of fun. I'm gonna enjoy playing with that. One of the things I asked for was these beads, eggs. Make a lovely noise. As you can tell, I like making noises like that. We've got a fidget tangle in purple. That's good for fidgeting with. And one of the things I requested was this bouncy, different coloured textured ball. Lots of sensory treasures here. That's probably why they call it Sensory Treasures. We've got this, I'm not sure what this is, but it looks quite good. So I thought I'd give that a try and see what happens. yeah, lots of different colours. And the clicky thing they seem to push in and out. And last but not least, this very pretty thing in stripes, and makes a lovely noise. That's everything. That's quite a good sensory bundle pack. Lots of different things to meet different needs. You've got squishy things and soft things and shaky rings. So I definitely, if you have anybody in your family, or if you yourself want to try out different sensory things, I would definitely recommend trying them. You get quite a lot of different things for your money. So have lots of fun testing these out. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.